We are back in Inglewood, SoFi Stadium, and earlier in the week the Rams unveiled their new colors, new logo, also hopefully in the near future new uniforms. So back with the blue and gold. Panel or two over in the staging area. You can hear there's been some kind of alarm noise going off the stadium. Can't hear it right now. There's gonna be some traffic here coming up. Take a quick look down toward the exterior of the performance venue. Got some more trees coming in, lots and lots, thousands of trees apparently. They'll be planting here over the course of the next few months. And there's the latest look at the HVAC building. Looks like it is been put back together, and it's just a matter of a cosmetic exterior, putting that wall back up, but looks like they got that repaired in pretty good amount of time. And we have some piece going into the stadium, but I don't think this guy realizes you're not supposed to come into this area. It's not a delivery zone, but let's take a look at here. This flatbed, what he has. And there's the 5G internet building. I think they got all the walls up now. Part of the internet infrastructure for the stadium. We'll be pumping out some concrete. From Catalina. This vendor, Catalina Pacific, I believe, comes off of Aviation out near LAX, just a few miles away from here. Well, look, near the American Airlines Plaza. Still hearing that siren. Built up a little kind of scaffolding area, and then I've got some bathrooms up there. Tell if this crane's still moving, but you can kind of hear it. Oh yeah, you can see the crane is definitely moving now. Repositioning. Cool. You don't get to see that very often. going on? There's people out there. NFL building. See, there's like windows there. Pretty cool. You can see some more lighting on the edge here. A really bright day, a lot of glare on my viewfinder. You can see pretty much the remaining panels. There's only like maybe 3 rows left that are pretty open here. But I mean, here on the west side, it's, I don't know, about halfway across at least. And the east side, it's making its way across from left to right. But not much longer to go. Do a little bit of seat peeping here. And here's a good shot of some of the seating. Well, not a great shot, but and a paramedics rolling by. There's a hospital nearby. And we got some Mr. Crane action going on. 1, 2, 3, 4 flatbed trucks. And then the crane up here. Let's take a look. We got a new arrival here at the stadium. I'll have to check this out when I get home, see what exactly this piece of equipment is.